Okay, the Barnyard series. There are 6 cars in the series. Now, 2 of the cars in the assortment are from, I guess, a TV series called Graveyard Carz. A crew at Graveyard Carz are the restoration experts for classic Mopar muscle. They have teamed up with Auto World to replicate 2 rough and rally unrestored muscle cars you can race on your own track. So basically, Graveyard Crews basically took 2 cars and they did their own detailing. Okay, and this is the second one. We've already done a video of the Challenger. This is the 1969 Dodge Charger. Okay, and this is again 4-year Ultra G 4G. Thunderjet Ultra G chassis, super fast with the super bad motor in it. Okay. Awesome. So 2 of the assortment, which is Sc345, are the Graveyard cars of the Barn Finds series. And that's these 2 cars right here. Your Challenger and your Charger. The other ones are just Barn Find, and these were done by Auto World. These were done by Graveyard Carz. Okay. Great selection, great cars. We're going to do a ton of videos here in the next couple months. So don't forget to like and subscribe us below. Ask us what kind of videos we want, because we're constantly doing new videos. So have a great day. Now, let me tell you something. Oh, I can't. I'm going on a no trade show next week, and it's a special one. It's basically the largest trade show in the world for amusement parks called IAAPA. And I'm going to be doing videos there. Okay.